What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Max back with another banger. I know it's been a while. I haven't been posting that much lately, but there's been a lot going on in the background. As you guys can see, this car hasn't been on the channel in a while. We're actually going to be dropping it off today to get it completely done. Yeah, you guys heard that right. You know, as you guys know, I have to build the front end of the car for the bumper. I got a new turbo, a bunch of stuff, but with the way my schedule looks and everything I have to do, it's a lot easier for me to drop it off and have someone else fab up the front, and I'm having a buddy of mine do it. So he's going to be finishing all the little things on the car, front bash bar mounting, all that stuff, put the new turbo on there, and we're going to get the car back. We're going to get the car back, and the car is going to be drivable, ready to get painted. So we have a lot to do. I have to figure out getting this thing on a U-Haul trailer. It is currently 7 in the morning. I'll show you guys that real quick. 7:18 in the morning. So, all right, boys. As you guys can see, there's no more boxes around the car. We do have everything loaded up. I'm gonna go pick up the U-Haul trailer, and then the fun part is loading this thing up. So I'll pick this back up once I get the trailer, and then we'll go from there. Quick update, boys. I didn't have any straps, so the car's loaded. We went over to Jordan's house, grabbed the straps, and strapped her down. Had to make do with what I had because I didn't know the car hauler didn't have any straps when I picked it up. But she's on there and she ain't going nowhere. So let's make this drive. Let's get the 240 done. It's finally that time. We are currently 3 weeks away from when you guys last saw this, 3 weeks to a month, and we are currently on the way. Don't look at those. We are currently on the way to go pick up the 240. All the fab work is done. Let's get into this. Let's see where they got with the car. I know what it looks like, but you guys haven't seen it yet. I'm very excited. We could finally get to finish this car, and that was the main thing we need. So let's go. Guys, as you can see, the 240 is loaded up on the trailer, and the front end was on it, but we had to pull it off because the car sits very low. So it's all in the bed of the truck. We are currently gonna get it back to the house, and I'm gonna get the motor pulled out of it. So I'm probably not gonna get it put back on, but I'll insert pictures of how it looked here so you guys can see it. We got our biggest fans over there supporting us, and yeah, here she is. As you guys can see, we have the headlights on the car. No more hood dump. It's actually got a full exhaust. I went ahead, I spent the money, got the full exhaust, and everything like that. So just clearance right there. You can see the turbo peeking just under there, and we do have eyes on the car, so it's gonna go ahead and be sick, but paint's the biggest priority right now. So let's get this car back to the house, get it unloaded, and all the fab work is basically done. So now it's my turn. All right, guys, as you can see, the car is finally home, and I went ahead and threw the front end on so you guys could see it. I wanted to see it one more time before we pull it apart. Next to this, as you guys saw in the last video, the S15 and the S13 left-hand drive, right-hand drive. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video of dropping that S13 off for fab work and getting it back home. So the next video, we are gonna be tearing the car down. If you wanna see quicker snippets and stay up to date, make sure to go check out my Instagram, hr.maxx. And that's where you guys will be able to see this beauty behind me. But I'm gonna be very active on here posting videos. So like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. That was so zesty. Subscribe. All right, cool. Later, peace, boys.